Okay, so we're going to install the system LVM command, not command, but the program. It's typed in, start typing in terminal, it pops up. Okay, let me go ahead and make that bigger. Alright, so first of all, I need to become root, of course. su dash dash here, password, like so. Okay, cool. And then yum install dash y space, and then we're going to do system dash config dash lvm, like that. And it should find it. It does, and it starts installing it. Actually tried to do this graphically, it wouldn't do it. I don't know why it wouldn't install it. It just wouldn't install it. And then just type in LVM instead of like hunting for it, and it's going to pop up the program right there. Bam, there's our program, and now I'm just going to type in password, of course, for this. And here's our LVM graphical manager. And there we are. So now I can come in here and I can actually resize my partitions as need be. So you can actually look at my partitions. I can resize them. This is the actual physical view, which means the actual physical hardware. This could be a whole set of multiple hard drives. I can remove my volume from the volume group. I can migrate the selected extents from the volume. Just a lot of really cool stuff. I've used this before when I was doing a whole RAID, like RAID 5 scenario. Man, this thing is nice. It is really, really useful. Important note though, make sure you don't dual boot with Windows and Linux, because the moment you boot up Windows, it will wipe out your entire RAID automatically. It just wants to wipe it out, and it will. But you can have multiple hard drives here on this, and you can actually stripe across all those hard drives these different volumes, and you can extend this volume across multiple hard drives, and it's just like a single drive. It's seamless. Uninitialized entities right over here. This is going to be where you have hardware that has not been formatted, and you could actually format that hardware with LVM, and then gain access and add it to your physical, and then add it and extend out a logical volume. So I could create an additional logical volume. I could remove it, or if I was on a particular logical volume like this, I could actually go in here, besides create a snapshot, but remove the logical volume. I click on Edit Properties, and I can come in here and I can literally resize this partition. So you can't do this in Windows, but you can do this only in Linux. You just go in here and literally just resize the partition to whatever size you need. So even if you're going like, oh man, the partitions weren't set up the way I wanted them really for the sizes or whatever, it does not matter. If we have it in LVM, it matters if you don't have an LVM. But if you have it in LVM, it doesn't matter, because we can resize them however you like, whenever you like. And that's what's really great. Do be careful though with this, because you can end up wiping out files if you, of course, resize the partition smaller than what there is data stored on the drive, meaning you have like 26 gigs of data on there, and then you scale it down to like 15, you're going to lose some gigs of data, because it's no longer is the partition big enough to hold that space. So of course those files, so you're just going to lose stuff. So that really matters as far as that goes. But otherwise, that is how you edit a partition. That's how you set it up. That's how you install it, and that's how you get it to work. And it's really cool. It's a really simple program to use, and it's extremely powerful, and it's something you can use all the time in networking. All right. Well, thank you very much.